Difference between the terms legislation, legislature and legislators. The term legislation is derived from Latin language where the term legislation means declaring legal rules as law by a competent authority. In simple words, legislation means making or preparing laws. The competent authority that is authorized to make or prepare laws is known as legislature. This competent authority is generally a governmental body having been given the power and responsibility to make, amend and repeal laws for a country or a state. The persons in the governmental body or the legislature who make laws are known as legislators. Statutes or enacted laws like the Indian Contract Act, the Companies Act, etc. originate from legislation. Thank you friends for watching this video. Do subscribe this channel to learn more about law.